Okay, hi everyone, my name is Govind and welcome to this video. In this video we are gonna look at how we can calculate year over year sales in SQL. So here you can see I'm having one table which is orders, and I'm having some column here: order ID, order date, product ID, category, sales and profit. The goal is to create year over year sales. It means that year over year sales is what the comparison basically from the previous year. If current year is 2026, so year over year sales for 2026 would be current year sale, which is the sales for 2026, minus previous year sales, which is the sales of 2025, divided by previous year sales. So this gives us some percent value, which is a growth, year over year growth. So this is what we have to calculate, right? So here from the orders table, first I would group the data on the yearly level. So I'll write something like date, select, I will use inbuilt year function and pass the order date as year. Then since I have to calculate sales at the yearly level, so I'll use the sales sum function and give the sales column in this column, and as sales I'll get this data from the orders table. So I'll write here orders and I'll group the data again by year. Let me run this query. Okay, so you can see I'm having the data at the yearly level. I will use the CTE basically and store this result in the CTE, and in the main query I will again query the column from the CTE that I have created above. So I'll query year and I want sales. I also want previous year sales, so I can use lag function that gives us the previous basically previous record. And then I can use overclose, and here I can use order by year in descending in ascending order, and this will become my previous year sales, and I'll get this from the CT. So let's run the query. Okay, so you can see for the 2019 I'm getting the sales of 2018, which is correct, and for 2020 I'm getting the sales of 2019, right? Now I can simply write one logic: this value divided minus this value divided by this value, so it will give me the year over year growth. So here I will write current year sales, which is my sales, minus previous year sales is this, okay, then divided by previous year sales, which is again this. Let's run this and find out what happens. Okay, so I think division is happening first, so we can wrap this into the bracket and run this. Okay, now you can see I'm getting the values in the percentage, right? So for here no column name, I can give the alias as year over year growth, and let's run again. You can see I'm not able to see the values in the percentage, so I can use format function basically. So format this value in the form of percent. That's it. Let's run it. Okay, now you can clearly see I'm getting the values in the percentage. So this is how you can calculate year over year growth in SQL. Thanks for watching. If you're having any questions, so do let me know into the comment section and subscribe for more insights.